Hello everyone, I'm Ananya. Today I'm going to draw a super easy village gardening scenery with oil pastel for all of you. Let's get started. First of all, draw whole the scenery with a black marker that I did. But I always suggest you to draw with 2B or HB pencil that if you think you have to erase on some point on the scenery, you can easily erase it if you draw with 2B or HB pencil. So now drawing. I have also a little cutie pie garden, and that's why I try to express my garden thinking about my drawing. And if you have garden, then don't forget to comment me below how it is and do you like it or not. But I like my garden and I love a lot. And our drawing is almost complete, and after that we will color. Let's start coloring the beautiful garden scenery. Draw a big flower with vermilion, yellow, orange, and at least yellow. Blend all the color of that, and all of the color name you can easily watch in the bottom screen, and those equipment that I have used on my tutorial you can easily see on the description box. Link will be in the description, and if you want to be my friends, then don't forget to like my Facebook page and follow this. Then draw like a shadow with red, and our big flower is complete. Then draw the smallest one. Color the smallest one with pink, light pink, and white. Don't forget to blend all of the color as well as you can, because blending of the color will make your drawing super attractive and marvelous. So don't forget to blend all of the color. And our flower is also complete. Then draw the greeny grass with green and perhaps the light green. I forgot the color name. You can see in the bottom of the screen. So there are 3 hills, and I try to color the tree with some different color. So first I try to draw the hills with Prussian blue, green, grass green, and yellow green. And let's see what did I do then next. Another one I try to color with blue green, green, grass green, and light green. And the other I try to turn this at a flower garden with purple and lavender. Don't forget to try this easy beautiful garden scenery at home, and knock me in the comment section if you face any kind of difficulty. And obviously, if you want to watch more like this beautiful scenery drawing, don't forget to subscribe my channel, please. Our garden drawing is almost complete, and if you learn a little bit from my tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please, 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 again I say it. Then draw the super blue and cute sky with ultramarine, sky blue, and white. And I try to do a ninja technique in this video, and what is it? It's like I don't have the light sky blue color, so that's why I had applied a light color of so lightly sky blue on my drawing, and on this I applied the white and blend it superly and properly that I did. And it was a technique. It will look like, and it will look like that you use light sky blue color, but you didn't. You color with light blue and white, and that was my technique that I have applied. You can also do this. Now color the village garden road with brown, yellow ochre and pale orange. Then draw the chair with only yellow ochre. That is the chair where I mostly used to sit down when I visit the garden, my cutie pie garden. And don't forget to shadow the chair with vindicty brown. And our chair is complete. Then go to draw the bush of tree with vindicty brown and yellow ochre. And draw the beautiful flowers with purple, red, and light pink. And our beautiful flower is complete. The flower tree is complete. Then just outline with a black outliner, and then our drawing will be complete. Our drawing is complete. If you're new in my creation world, then don't forget to subscribe my channel to watch like this more, and to watch the previous, click on the I button, and don't forget to like my tutorial also. And if you learn a little bit from my drawing tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And here is my drawing, and thank you all for watching my video till end. Stay home, stay safe. Tata, see you in the next video.